today I'm going to show you one of the things I try to do every night. When I cook a healthy dinner, I always try to think, how can I use these ingredients the next day? First, I'm gonna finish up my chicken. And this was so easy. All I did was pound it, lemon, sea salt, pepper, olive oil, super, super easy. Just gonna slice this up. Then I'm gonna chop up the broccoli. Many people ditch the stems, but the stems are loaded with so much nutritional value. A little olive oil, and add a little pepper. And then I'll just mix this up and then put it on a baking sheet on parchment paper and then roast it in the oven. So I'm gonna take a piece of this chicken off. And I usually make a few batches of this, again, to have more leftovers. I wanna show you what I make to make this the herbed rice. Add olive oil, some chives, fresh basil, onions, and I put it into my blender, and I have this right here. I'm going to set aside some right here. So I have that. I'm gonna mix this up here. Now you have this super healthy, super easy recipe, the herbed rice. Some veggies right here. I'm just gonna use my hands. So there I have it. My roasted broccoli, brown rice, and grilled chicken. Let's move on to breakfast. I'll start with cracking the eggs. I'm gonna take some of the broccoli and onions and throw them right in there, even a little bit of the chicken. So this is a really hearty egg scramble we are about to make. The yolk is where all of the amazing nutrients live. So absolutely go for the yolk. I'm also gonna put on the side the herbed rice, and it's another way to reduce waste and to add in some beautiful nutrients. So there you have your breakfast. Here I have a bowl of greens. Again, chop up some more chicken. I'm gonna lay it on the salad. And then, instead of adding something like chickpeas, throw in this plain brown rice, or you could add the herbed rice, whatever you want. I'll sprinkle a little bit of the walnuts in for some healthy fat. And then, whatever veggies I have left. And then, of course, you can even use your herb dressing that you used on the rice if you want. Here's lunch. So in this snack, the raw broccoli and hummus, you're getting a little healthy fat and you're getting loads of antioxidants. And then we've got broccoli and we're gonna dip. So there you go. I think I'm gonna have a little bit of my brown rice. This is delish. You need to go for this one.